I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 has Xbox Game Bar enabled and you are signed into your Microsoft account. Now press Win+G to open the overlay. If prompted, grant microphone and storage permissions so clips save correctly. Once the overlay appears, locate the capture widget. This is where recording and screenshots live, so you can begin capturing immediately. Doing this prevents permission errors later and makes the next steps fast and predictable. You now record and configure. Press the Capture Widget's Record button or use Win+Alt+R to start and stop manually. This gives you control for clips you want. If you prefer automatic highlights, enable background recording and set the length. 30 to 60 seconds is typical, so Game Bar saves recent gameplay. Make sure to open Settings right arrow captures to choose Quality, FPS, and the Save folder. These choices affect file size and editing options, so finish by locating your saved clips in the Captures folder to review and rename them for easy finding. You can trim and export using the Xbox app or a dedicated editor. Trim to remove dead time, and export at your selected bitrate for better quality. If recording fails, first restart the Game Bar and your PC, then update GPU drivers and confirm microphone and storage permissions. This sequence fixes most problems quickly and keeps your clips consistent and ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.